Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. Now I feel like every month that I decide to do a studio vlog, it falls on the day that I'm packaging up all of my sticker bundle subscriptions because that is what I am going to be doing today. Now I have 3 cutters. You guys can see the smaller cutter up here. I actually use it for cardstock, plastic like dashboards and things like that. And then the bottom 2 I use for all of my sticker cutting. Now I used to have 4 of them, so I'm only down to the 2, so I'm gonna have to be very efficient today because I want to try and get out as many bundles as possible. I do have until the 6th to get all of the bundles out, so they ship from the 1st to the 6th every month. This month was a little different because the 1st fell on New Year's Day and all of the post offices were closed. So I'm shipping them out from the 2nd to the 6th this month. So I want to go ahead and get started with that. I think I will probably cut some dashboards today as well, like the dividers that I have for my binders. So maybe I'll show you how I do that as well. And of course, all of the printing and cutting and packaging of all of the subscriptions. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do this morning is get to cutting on all of these stickers. You guys can see I do have a huge stack here, and I would say it takes about 5 minutes each sticker sheet to cut. So it's going to be a long day of cutting. While I'm cutting these, I'm going to go ahead and package up all of my orders as well, and then I'm going to try and multitask and cut some dividers as well. I use these rulers here to help from keeping these mats from falling down. So if I didn't have the ruler here, it would fall all the way down, and you guys can see the sticker sheet is already like peeling up from the mat. When that happens, the sheet will start moving around and then cut all wonky here. So these really help to keep it in place. And honestly guys, these are just like cheap little dollar store rulers, so you don't have to get anything fancy for that. Oh my goodness, I feel like I just jinxed myself by showing you if the sticker paper moves that it will cut all wonky. Well, I guess this is perfect for you, not for me, but it is a good way to know when your mat needs to be changed. Even when you have the ruler there, it can go wonky. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you guys see this cut completely off. So it's actually supposed to look like this sheet here, but it is diagonal there. So something happened, the sheet moved, and it decided to just keep on cutting crooked. So this is why oops sheets happen, because there's nothing we can do about it. It still looks kind of cute, but I definitely cannot sell this. I want to warn you, I am about to start packing up all of the sticker bundles. I know that you guys have seen sneak peeks already here and throughout my Instagram and Facebook group, but if you are subscribed to any of the sticker bundles and don't want to see the full kit before you get it, then just fast forward throughout the video or pause it and come on back until you get your kit. So I will show you this one little thing that I am including extra this month. This is a little journaling card, and then on the reverse there is a note to every subscriber because we announced last month that we will be springing forward for 2019. So in the past you would get your kits, like for the January kit you would get February's theme. Now we are actually putting out January's kit for March theme. So this way, international and domestic subscribers will have their kits in plenty of time to plan. So that is pretty much what it says on the reverse side. I don't know if you can see the front. So it's a January 2019 spring ahead. So I also wanted to include that so that there's really no confusion. This is January's kit, but it is themed for March. So I hope that putting out all of these announcements on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and now in the kits, everybody will be on the same page. All right. That's about all I can get done today. It is late and I want to start dinner. I thought I would show you guys my new Instant Pot. I got one for Christmas and I have not used it yet, so I thought it might be fun for you guys to see like a first impression of the Instant Pot. If you guys want to see that, then just stay tuned to the end of the video. If you guys want to see more studio vlogs, definitely let me know down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Watch the Instant Pot video. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, all of these safeguards are making me nervous. It probably took me longer to read all of the safeguards than it's supposed to take me to cook the food, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a go. I need to saute the chicken for 5 minutes on both sides first, which is a little sneaky of them because it says the cook time's only 7 to 10 minutes, but I have to saute it first, so let's go ahead and do that. In the saute mode, you don't have to put the lid on, which is great because that's what scares me. So I'm done sauteing. You guys can hear it is still boiling over there, and it looks like there's only 7 minutes left for pressure cooking, so let's do this. Alright, so I cooked the chicken for 7 minutes, and you're supposed to wait until the valve goes down in order to open the lid. It just went down like a couple of minutes ago. It says 27 minutes here, but I think it went down at like 23 minutes because I heard it click. So I'm going to go ahead and open this guy up for the first time. Looks good. Guys, this is delicious. I am so glad that I braved the Instant Pot. Very yummy. I'm gonna make this all week long. So exciting!